How do minors become emancipated legally? Have you ever wondered how a minor can gain independence from their parents? The process of emancipation allows minors to become legally recognized as adults before they reach the age of majority, which is typically 18 years old. Let's break down how this works and what it means for both the minor and their parents. First, minors usually begin the emancipation process by filing a petition with a family or probate court. This petition is a formal request asking the court to grant emancipation. The court will look at whether this decision is in the minor's best interest. To succeed, the minor must show they can support themselves financially and make independent decisions. They also need to demonstrate that they are living apart from their parents or guardians, either with their consent or due to specific circumstances. During the court process, the minor may have an attorney appointed to representing their interests. If the court agrees to the emancipation request, it will issue an emancipation order. This order grants the minor legal rights similar to those of an adult in many areas. Another way minors can become emancipated is through express emancipation. This happens when a parent or legal guardian agrees that the minor can live independently and manage their own earnings. Even with this agreement, the court may still review the situation to ensure it is voluntary and truly in the minor's best interest. There is also implied emancipation, which occurs automatically due to certain life events. For example, if a minor gets married, joins the military, becomes a parent, or lives independently under specific laws, they may be considered emancipated without needing a court order or parental agreement. In some cases, minors may achieve partial emancipation. This allows them to make specific decisions, like consenting to medical treatment or entering housing programs, without being fully emancipated from all parental duties. So, what are the practical steps in this process? First, the minor files their petition in the court where their parents or guardians live. Parents or guardians usually need to verify or consent to this petition unless they are unavailable. The court will then evaluate the minor's maturity, financial independence, and living situation. A hearing is held where evidence is presented, and if the court finds emancipation appropriate, it issues a legal order. Once a minor is emancipated, they gain control over their earnings and assets. Their parents or guardians are no longer legally obligated to provide support or housing. The emancipated minor can enter contracts, make health care decisions, and manage their personal affairs like an adult. It is important to note that emancipation is a significant legal change that impacts parental rights and duties. Courts carefully consider the minor's maturity and best interests against the traditional roles of parents. Emancipation is not granted lightly and requires clear evidence that the minor can handle adult responsibilities.